guys, so the name of this room is called the Resort to Queen Bedroom at the Bellagio. I really like how it has a full-length mirror at the entrance, so when you're ready to go, you can check yourself, make sure you're all set. And I really like how this room is just really clean. Everything looks like it's been upgraded, just very modern. The beds are really comfortable. I really enjoyed my stay here. This area right here has a mini fridge. Everything in here, they do charge for everything in here, just letting you know. Has a TV, and then we also have a closet where you can keep all your things organized. And I really enjoyed staying here. They have some of the best fine dining. I'm looking up a list. They have Lago, Prime Steakhouse. They have the restaurant called Spago. My favorite was Yellowtail Japanese. So yes, so this restroom, they have a bathtub, and I really like the lighting here. The vanity area around, like the lights around the mirror, helps so much when you're getting ready. So yeah, so if you guys end up staying at the Bellagio, I know you guys are gonna have a great time. I really enjoyed my stay here. It was clean, comfortable, and there was just everything I needed here. So thanks for watching.